it takes 2 generations for a culture or a tradition to be lost. If your grandparents didn't do that, your parents didn't do that, you are going to grow up thinking that doesn't exist. Lochan, ngakho esikhathini esiningi uthola abantu bathi hayi kuya ngokuthi ngendlu, hayi kuya ngokuthi ungwakamahlangu, kuya ngokuthi umXhosa, hayi kuya ngokuthi umZulu, and uthola abantu labo kungiba balahlekileko. We have something we call constant laws. We have what we call culture. We have what we call tradition. When we speak about culture, sikhuluma ngesikopilo elenzeka kuwo wonke umhlobo womuntu. It doesn't matter whether you are Xhosa or Zulu, noma use Angola or Mozambique. It doesn't matter. It happens in each and every ubuhlanga obuthile. Bonke ubuhlanga be-Afrika bunayo into leyo. So, I think by now we have established the fact that ilobolo is not a wedding, but it's simply a procedure, a ritual that happens before getting married. We have established that. So, bengifuna ukuyivala itopic yelobolo by saying ukuthi izinto eziningi zilahlekile ngaphasi kwesintu. Abantu, they practice izinto abaqabanga ukuthi sisintu. Like for instance, ukuvula amatshe, tombstone unveiling, that is not African culture, that is religion. But people do not know this because there are a lot of systems like religion and other cultures which are foreign, which belong to white people, as infiltrated isintu, as fikile zaqhaphazela isintu. We've adopted ama-cultures lawo, ama-cultures lawo to isintu sekho, and then today we think ukuthi lokho ngekwethu kodwa akusikho kwethu. Njengakho lokho engikhuluma ngakho ngithi mina ukuvula amatshe, it's not African culture, you know. And if I had to actually I will explain one day why I'm saying tombstone unveiling, it's not African culture but religion from Christianity. I will explain one day, but for me to explain, I will have to explain indlela yokungcwaba ukuthi sasingcwaba njani. So that's another video. So yeah, we've adopted a lot of foreign cultures esintwini sethu, and then we ended up losing isintu samambala. That's why today people are confused. That's why today abantu abazi ukuthi umtshato wesintu ngimuphi, umtshato wesintu uyini. And it's so very alarming. Did you see ukuthi how many people abangaziwe ukuthi nawuthi niyokutshata ngesintu kose ukuthi wenzeni? People who don't understand the difference between umlobokazi nomalukazana. There's a difference. And what I love about language is that it reminds you ukuthi into okhuluma ngayo ukhuluma ngani. You cannot call yourself umlobokazi and then think you are a bride. Iyazichi gamelo. When you go down to actually uyokufunisisa ngegamelo, the origin of the word, now we'll break it down. You can find out ubone ukuthi igamelo libuyaphi. You understand? So izinto ezincane ezinjalo amagama esihlale siwakhuluma in our daily lives esingawazwisisiko. You understand? But we are using these words like ukulala ubuthongo. We don't understand what that means, but we are using these words. And when I come and say you should stop falling asleep and start ukulala ubuthongo, people are going to think, you are crazy now. You are crazy. You don't know what you're talking about. Mara abantu abafunu ukuvuma ukuthi ilanguage iqhakathekile. The very same people abangafuni ukuvuma ukuthi ilanguage iqhakathekile are the same people abakholelwa ukuthi ku-Genesis there was once a word. Kwaba nelizwi elikhulunywako. So the day you actually understand that you cannot angeke uhlale phasi udecide ukuthi what can and cannot exist under African spirituality. There are a lot of things that exist, and in indwezi nazikhona. So it's a topic that is very vague, yide yinengi, and iqiniso lakhona alitholakali ku religion ethize kwaphela. All these religions all these religions nanoma zinama-pause ngakhona but kunamaqiniso watholako. And when you read and find out about those particular religions and come back to yourself, you can actually understand nento yani nene-system yakho yini isintu. And yeah, so bengifuna ukuyivala. I've written an article that I'm going to publish. This article is gonna explain more ukuthi nangabe uyalobola, why do we use cows? Why not use pigs? Or why singathathi inkukhu, into ezifana lezo? I know people abaqabanga ukuthi mhlambe we are using cows and it's because of mhlambe ikomo imnotho. Obviously ikomo yikulu yinengi, isitshebe esinengi, and that's a reason, but kunamanye ama-reasons, spiritual reasons why we use izinto ezifana nalezo. So before ngiyivala, I wanted to tell you guys ukuthi nangabe ulotsholiwe, it doesn't make you ukuthi you are now off the market. You're not. You're not someone's wife, meaning ukuthi basesekhona abantu abangakulobola ulotsholiwe. Ungalotsholwa kube kayi-5 soloku bayakulobola abantu, different men bakulobole. You're not off the market. Ikulume ethi ilotsholo alijikiswa or amalobolo akajikiswa ibuyaphi? Ibuya ekutheni amalobolo nakafikileko, nangabe thina esithandanako sigcina singasazwani, inkomezo azibuyele emva. Why? Because naziphuma ekhaya la zikhamba sithi sokulobola, ziphuma ziphahlelwa ukuthi inkomezi ziyaphuma. So basically now ukhipha inkomo ngesibayeni uziphekelele emzini, yinto oyikhipha owazi ukuthi ngekho iphinde ibuye, ayibuye ikhambela futhi. Ukuthi la iyakhona iyokufika indlondlobale inzinze, i-sustain everything, or iyokubhalelwa iyokufeyila, yi-risk oyithathako as idlozi elilobolako. That's a risk that you take, because izinto ezisona, it's like it's a spiritual procedure esithina siyenzako. Mhlambe nangithi mina nangabe imkomezo ziyabuyela, kunama effects amanengi enzekako. So it doesn't just affect the bride's family or ekhabo lomntazana kuphela, it also affects ekhabo lendoda nangabe mhlambe inkomo zibuyisele emuva. So it can happen ukuthi there's a guy that is crushing on you, but instead ukuthi wena azokutshela wena ukuthi uyakufuna uyakushela, uyafika yena azokulobola. So into ezifana lezo ukuthi nakafikile kazokulobola and mina I feel like no, I can't, angimfuni ubhudilo. Into eyenzeka ukuthi inkomo zokuhlala esibayeni zinjalo zisazinjalo, but we're not allowed ukuthi sizijikise. So ikulume ethi inkomo azijikiswa ibuya lapho. Na uzijikisako awali idlozi lomuntu loyo kuphela, wala umendo, the whole thing uyayala. That's why abantu bozokuza umuntu athi wajikisa ilobolo ngeke usachata. You are bringing curse into the family, not just on you, inga affecta nabanye abantu. Ngenzeka ukuthi ungaqabanga ukuthi uphunyukhile the next time mhlambe bakulobola, but awakaphunyukhi, it's gonna affect ama aspects amanye wempilo yakho, but wena ngeke ukhona ukurealize until uhlangabezana nenkinga ezinjalo, ukhamba uyokuhlola bakutshele ngamalobolo and into ezifana nalezo. So yeah, I wanted to ukuyiveza into leyo. I hope ukuthi iyazwakala. And yeah, like I said, there's an article that I'm going to publish that speaks more, because I think I'm doing well as a writer than as a speaker. So ikhona ku blog, on my blog, or nangabe ufuna linki, it's African Culture and Spirituality. There's no space. And then you say .wordpress.com. African Culture and Spirituality.wordpress.com. When now you click uyokubusa ku WordPress, whereby you're gonna find page lami ikesi yakwantu whereby ngi explain such things. So it's very sad ukuthi namhlanje sikunabantu abangazi ukuthi umtchado wesintu yikhuyini, umtchado umuntu nakayokutchada wenzani. It's so sad, because kuyatsho ukuthi amasiko pilo la eswa adoptileko a foreign, siwathethe sawamukelo sagcina sesicabanga ukuthi ngewethu kube akusiwo wethu, and sagcina sesicabanga ukuthi into yabo ingqono kuneyethu, and we forgot who we are as Africans. And to those who've been asking me how old I am, I have a question and an answer. When you ask me how old I am, do you mean how old my body is or how old my spirit is? And also, I am old enough to know and understand ukuthi isintu sisakhe ngombana besizama ukuhlaziya imvelo. Isintu is dependent on African spirituality. Isintu cannot exist without ubungoma. Isintu it's a system ethatha umuntu imenze ukuthi aconnecte to the cosmic energy, what you call as God, uzimu, uNkulunkulu, umveli qangi. Ngombana isintu sakhiwe babantu ebebazwisisa ukuthi na umuntu uyahalela, uyakhanuka, uyaphambuka, begodi idiscipline yakho limited. So we had to create something ezohelebha nofana ezokusiza ukuthi uhlale endaweni le ehlambulikeko, nofana if it happens that uyaqhaphazeleka somewhere somehow, but you can be brought back and ubuyele endleleni ekungiyo. So that's how old I am. And yeah, so umendo yingoma. Umendo yingoma, na uyokwenda uya engomeni. Fana lokha na uyokuthomba, na uyokuwela, na uyokuthwasa. Bekodwa ingoma awiweli kabili. Wathomba uthombile, wawela uwelile. Nama ngathani basho kuphazame somewhere, sizokulungisa into leyo specifically, but umuntu akabuyela khamba equdeni ayokuthomba godu nofana ayendabeni ayokwela. The reason why it's messed up ku African spirituality today ubungoma, it's because uthola abantu abathwasa kaningi. Umuntu akayiboni ingoma kabili. And if it happens ukuthi ukhambile wayokuthwasa, na uthwasako bakuphazamisela nofana akhange bakufundise indawula, you have to focus specifically on that problem bese uyayilungisa. Hayi ukuthi uyabuyela uyakhambe ngibathi iskerte sibovu ubuyele ube mkhethwa. It doesn't happen like that. But angifuna ukukhuluma khulu ngengoma yokuthwasa because a lot of people are already talking about that. I just wanted to let you know ngiyibeke epepeneneni ukuthi ingoma awuyiweli kabili, uyiwela kanye. And besazi ukuthi kungenzeka ukuthi bangakuphetheli kuhle, kungenzeka bakurobe, kungenzeka kube nomuntu ozenza uclever. That's why people like me exist. We have to uqala ukuthi ikinga ngiyiphi nofana wena umochakalelwe kuphi bese kulungise ikinga leyo, ingasukuthi ubuyisele engomeni god basho uyibona kanye ingoma. So yeah guys, this is me, and I hope you will subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on TikTok. You are allowed to leave comments, questions, compliments, uvumelekile. And also you can subscribe to my blog. And please, when you watch, if you are watching from TikTok, from YouTube, do not skip the ads. Do not. Do not skip ads. Nangabe you are watching from YouTube. And we're gonna meet on the next topic. Everything that you missed it or do not worry. An article on my blog. I'm done writing it. Iguma draft. I just have to press publish. So yeah, this is me, Lungile Nikakhelon Mabena. Yeah, ngiyantanda begodu ngiyathokoza.